Everyone, I am Dr. Preeti Patel, working as Associate Professor at ISF College of Pharmacy, Mura. Today I am going to discuss the interpretation of compounds by IR spectroscopy or interpretation of IR spectra of different compounds. So, before this step, we must know the basic principle of IR spectroscopy and IR ranges for various functional groups. As we know, the molecules are made up of atoms linked by a chemical bonds. When energy in the form of IR radiation is applied, then it causes the vibration between the atom of the molecules. When applied, infrared or IR frequency is equal to the natural frequency of vibrations. Then absorption of IR radiation takes place and peaks are observed in the IR region. Different functional groups absorb characteristic frequencies of IR radiation, hence they give the characteristic peaks in the IR region. IR spectroscopy is an important tool to identify the functional group of organic compound or functional group of synthesized molecule. Now I am discuss the various IR ranges of functional groups. First one is alkene. For CH stretching, it is 2960 to 2850 centimeter inverse. For CH bending, it is observed near about 1485 to 1340 centimeter inverse. CC stretching in alkene observed near about 1300 to 800 centimeter inverse, but it is generally not useful in the interpretation of spectra. For alkene CH stretching, it is 3100 to 3000 centimeter inverse. For CH bending, it is 965 to 905 centimeter inverse. C double bond C stretching in alkenes, it is 1660 to 1600 centimeter inverse. CC stretching in alkene give a weak peak or sometimes it is not present in the spectra. For alkynes, CH stretching, it is 3500 to 3300 centimeter inverse. CH stretching in alkyne give sharp and strong peak. CH bending in alkyne, it is observed near about 1250 to 1210 centimeter inverse. C triple bond C stretching in alkyne, the value is 2150 to 2110 centimeter inverse. For methylene or sp2 hybridized carbon, CH stretching, it is 2935 to 2915 centimeter inverse, and CH bending for methylene 1485 to 1445 centimeter inverse. When aliphatic compound having carbon chain more than 3, the peak observed near about 750 to 720 centimeter inverse. For aromatic compounds, aromatic CH stretching, the value is 3050 to 3000 centimeter inverse. CH bending vibrations between 1660 to 2000 centimeter inverse or maybe sometime 2100 centimeter inverse. Aromatic ring stretching, it is C double bond CH. It is observed near about 1600 to 1480 centimeter inverse, and it is a medium or strong peak, and aromatic ring stretching always give a pair of bends or pair of peak in this region 1600 to 1480 centimeter inverse. For substituted aromatic compounds, for mono-substitution or mono-substituted phenyl, it is from 770 to 730 centimeter inverse and 710 to 690 centimeter inverse. For ortho substituted compound or 1,2-disubstituted compound, it is 770 to 735 centimeter inverse. For meta disubstituted compound, it is 810 to 750 centimeter inverse and 900 to 860 centimeter inverse. For 1,4-disubstituted or para substituted compound, it is 860 to 800 centimeter inverse. For halides, CI, it is 500 centimeter inverse. For CBr, bromide, 600 to 500 centimeter inverse. For CCl, it is 800 to 600 centimeter inverse, and for CF, it is 1400 to 1000 centimeter inverse. For CF, the absorption frequency or peak is highest because of high negative inductive effect due to the presence of more negative atom. And as we know, the fluoride is most electronegative between iodide, bromide and chloride ions. For ether, CO stretching, it is 1120 to 1070 centimeter inverse. For aliphatic ether, the value is 1120 centimeter inverse. For aromatic ether, CO stretching observed near about 1040 to 1250 centimeter inverse. And CH stretching for ethers, it is 2940 to 2850 centimeter inverse. Now coming to the carbonyl group IR ranges. Amide RCO NH2 group, it is near about 1690 centimeter inverse. Carboxylic group carbonyl, so peak near about 1705 centimeter inverse. RCOR ketone carbonyl group, it is 1715 centimeter inverse. RCOH aldehyde, for aldehyde carbonyl group peak is 1735 centimeter inverse. For RCOCl acid chloride, it is 1770 centimeter inverse, and for anhydride, it is 1760 to 1820 centimeter inverse. So as you can see, the acid chloride and anhydride groups exert highest frequency, absorption frequency as compared to ketone and carboxylic group and amide group. So acid chloride and anhydride group show highest frequency because of high negative inductive effect. In acid chloride, this carbonyl group is attached with chloride or chloride ion, and chloride ion exert highest negative inductive effect as compared to alkyl group and hydrogen atom and or NH2 group. And negative inductive effect will generate or will increase the frequency of absorption, and positive inductive effect will decrease the frequency of absorption. That's why ketone group and ketone carbonyl group and aldehyde carbonyl group show low frequency of absorption, and anhydride and acid chloride exert high frequency of absorption or high frequency ranges in the IR region. For amine NH2 stretching, it is 3500 to 3300 centimeter inverse. For primary amine, two bands occur in this region, and for secondary amine, only one band occur at this region. And NH2 bands are weaker than the amide bands. CN stretching for amine, for aromatic amine, it is 1200 to 1350 centimeter inverse. For aliphatic amine, it is 1000 to 1250 centimeter inverse. And NH bending for amines, it is 1470 to 1570 centimeter inverse. And NH bending is stronger in amide than the amine. For amide, NH stretching also it is 3500 to 3300 centimeter inverse. Amide first bond observed due to the presence of carbonyl group, and it is 1600 to 1800 centimeter inverse. Amide second bond and amide third bond due to the presence of NH and CN groups. Amide second bond, it is observed near about 1640 to 1550 centimeter inverse, and amide third bond due to the presence of CN group or CN functional group, and the value is 1250 to 1350 centimeter inverse. For alcohol, OH stretching observed near about 3700 to 3500 centimeter inverse. OH group give strong and broad peak. CO alkoxy peak, it is 1000 to 1260 centimeter inverse, and for tertiary alcohol it give highest frequency, and for primary alcohol it give low frequency. For carboxylic group, OH stretching, it is 2400 to 3400 centimeter inverse, and OH stretching for carboxylic group, it give strong and very broad peak, and it sometimes overlapped with the CH stretching. For nitriles, CN stretching, it is 2260 to 2240 centimeter inverse. For nitro group give strong to medium peak. It is from 1500 to 1600 centimeter inverse and 1300 to 1390 centimeter inverse. NO2 group always give a pair of peak, or always give two peaks in 1500 to 1600 centimeter inverse and 1300 to 1390 centimeter inverse. For thiol SH group stretching, it is 2550 centimeter inverse. Degree of unsaturation or IHD, index of hydrogen deficiency, is useful when we are having the molecular formula of compound with the spectra, with their spectra. So with the help of this formula, index of hydrogen deficiency, we can calculate the we can calculate or identify the nature of compound, either it is aromatic or aliphatic. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate the number of double bonds or number of triple bond present in the molecule. So now I'm taking some example like C4H10. Molecular formula is C4H10. So ISD value for C4H10 will be 0. It means it is an aliphatic compound or saturated compound. So the predictive structure for C4H10 is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. For C4H10, degree of unsaturation is 1. It means it is having one double bond. So the predicted structure for C4H10 is CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. For C4H6, degree of unsaturation is 2. It means it is having two double bond in the structure or one triple bond in the structure. So the predicted structure for C4H6 is CH3 bond C, triple bond C bond CH3, 2-butyne or buta 1,3-diene or 1,3-butadiene. CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. For C6H6, the ISD value is 4. It means it having one benzene ring in the structure or conjugated double bond structure. So the degree of unsaturation or ISD helpful in the interpretation of spectra or interpretation of structure of compound. Now I am taking the simple example of spectrum for interpretation of compounds. This is the IR spectrum of C6H12O. Every IR spectrum divided into two parts. First region started from 4000 to 1500 centimeter inverse. It is known as functional group region and also known as diagnostic region. And second region started from 1500 to 500 centimeter inverse, or sometimes it is given as 1300 or 1400 centimeter inverse, like that. It is known as fingerprint region. So all functional groups will give absorption peaks in the functional group region and skeleton will give absorption peaks in the fingerprint region. And fingerprint region will not same for any two compounds except enantiomers. It may be same in the case of enantiomer. So this is the IR spectrum for C6H12O molecular formula. So first we calculate the degree of unsaturation for this particular molecular formula, and degree of unsaturation for C6H12O is 1. It means it is having one double bond. And the predicted structure of C6H12O is hexenal. Hence, hexenal having methyl group, CH3 group, methylene, CH2 group, and one carbonyl group, C double bond O group, and C bond C. Hexenal show 5 characteristic peak in the IA region. First peak due to the presence of methyl group, CH3 group. Hence, CH stretching for methyl group will occur near about 2960 to 2850 centimeter inverse. Second peaks due to the presence of methylene group in the hexenal, and CH stretching for methylene will occur near about 2935 centimeter to 2915 centimeter inverse. Third peak is observed due to the presence of carbonyl group, C double bond O group, and this is strong and sharp peak near about 1710 centimeter inverse. Fourth characteristic peak is observed due to the presence of CH bending. Due to the CH bending, it is occur near about 1485 to 1340 centimeter inverse. The standard range is 1485 to 1340 centimeter inverse, and the peak is observed near about 1400 centimeter inverse. And fifth peak due to the C bond C stretching, and the peak is observed near about 1200 centimeter inverse. So these are the characteristic peaks for hexenal. This is the another IRS spectrum. This is the spectrum of paracresol. So as we can see in the structure, paracresol having one hydroxy group, aromatic ring or benzene ring, and para-substituted methyl group. So it's so characteristic peaks due to the presence of OH stretching, and OH group so strong peak, strong and broad peak at 3350 centimeter inverse. Second characteristic peak due to the presence of CH stretching, and CH stretching is observed near about 3100 to 3000 centimeter inverse. This is the combination bands which is occurred due to the presence of aromatic ring. Fourth characteristic peaks due to the aromatic ring stretching, C double bond, C bond H stretching. Peak is observed near about 1600 to 1510 centimeter inverse. It always give pair of peak between 1600 to 1510 centimeter inverse. And fifth peak due to the presence of carbonyl group. Sorry, fifth peak due to the presence of C bond O stretching. It is near about 1260 to 1200 centimeter inverse. And last peak, due to the para substitution of this benzene ring or phenyl ring, it is occur near about 800 centimeter inverse. So these are the characteristic peak for paracresol. Thank you.